feel good and safe at home. I am history teacher from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School. So students, today we will learn the new topic, very interesting topic and we will get more knowledge about in this chapter. So the chapter name is Our Community Life. Okay, in this chapter there are two main points. So look at the blackboard and read with me. First, community life is the interdependent, and second one, rules for living in a community. So students, open your book, page number 119. So students, the meaning of the community. Do you know the word of meaning of community? The meaning of community is, in a universe, we all are live together, we communicate to the other peoples and communicate to the other peoples, meet some friends and talk about other peoples and celebrate the various festivals that are called community. So students, in the page number 19, you see the pictures. In what are the differences do you see in the two pictures? In the first pictures, the girl sitting on stage and she look like unhappy. And the next picture, girls are dancing. She is dancing and she is looking very happy. So, can you tell me the differences about these two pictures? You observe these pictures, and what are the differences you observe? Okay, I tell you. In the first picture, we see the girls are looking very unhappy, and she is very alone. And the next picture, when she saw her friends, she is very happy and she is dancing. So students, we start this chapter. We like the company of other people. At home, we live with our parents. We also have neighbors. We miss our friends if we can't meet them. We miss even our pets when they are not around. Okay students, we like the company of others. We make some friends, and we are live in parents at home, and we also have neighbors. And when our friends not can't meet me, so we are disturbance. We are very miss him. So we miss even our pets. Every person have favorite pets. So when the pets are not around us, they are missing. So people like to live in a group, living in the company of our family, neighbors and other people means living in a community. The meaning of that community is described as people like to live in a group, living the family, living our family, neighbors and other people means that is the called community. So students, in the see the pictures. The first picture, a girl talking to a group of children, and the next picture, children holding hands in a circle, and the third one, helping a boy who has falling off his bicycle. In the first picture, we see a girl talking to a group of children. When the children are playing, they talking to the friends in a group circle. And in the next picture, when the children play in a ground, they holding the hands and they playing all together. And third one, when a boy is falling down his bicycle, someone help us. So now we come to the first if we don't have friends and other people around us, who will we speak to? Who will we share our joys and sorrow with? Okay, you know that we need a community life because no one can meet him, no can speak to us. So, who will we share our joys and happiness and sorrow with? Okay. Now come to the next page 120. In a community, we get companion. We feel secure in their company. We help them and they too help us. Okay. In a community, we get the companion and in their companion we help them and they also help to us. Huh? This is known as the cooperation. That is called as cooperation. So, cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Rules are needed to build is cooperation. Okay. Now come to the next paragraph. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Education and health facility for everyone can be developed in a community. Goods have to be produced to satisfy needs. This is called production of goods. The process of reaching those goods to people is called services. Okay. Do you know in the daily needs are fulfilled by the community, education and health service. In the everyone can be developed in a community. Goods have to be produced, and that is the good produce of goods. Those goods to people is called services. Okay, production and service are both necessary to satisfy needs. Production and the service are very important to our needs. Many people contribute this. One person cannot produce everything. Neither can we give all services by himself. Community life is interdependent. Okay, no one can give all the services. Okay. So community was divided in a group and all the services divided in a group and the community life will be going in smoothly. Okay. Now we come to the next point, rules for living in a community. Rules are necessary for smooth learning of community life. Rules are very necessary to the community life. We have to deal with other people in a community all the time. We have deal with many other peoples. We have meet other peoples to make a friends. So for smooth learning or for our day-to-day affairs, everybody has to follow certain restrictions. These are known as rules. Rules bring discipline to community life. When the rules are maintained, the community life will be going on smoothly and very disciplined. Okay? The rules are not there in the community life. The community life will be very disturbing and not successfully, and they give some problems. They create some problems. Okay? Now, see the next page 121, the paragraph. Before playing any game, we must first understand its rules. The rules of the game are the same for everybody. Okay, student, you are playing some games. You like playing the video game in a mobile phone. So, in a mobile phone, these games, video play games, you have some rules and everybody follow the rules. Every player has to follow the rules. Only then does the game go on smoothly. When you follow the game's rules, the game will be going smoothly and you will be success in the game. You win the game. Okay, and you are not follow the rules, the game, then your game will be finished and you are lose. You are lost. Okay, so you are not the win in that game. So similarly, in order to make sure that community life also goes on smoothly, we must follow the rules. So in that paragraph described as the rules are very important in a community when we are following the rules in a community life, the community life will be going on very smoothly and not to create any problems. Okay, and they fulfill our needs in very smoothly. Okay. Now, games have an important place in our lives. We imbibing in the qualities of cooperation and unity through games. Participation, determination, and passion are more important in the games than winning or losing. So, sports help us to stay healthy. Okay, in a games, when students are playing in a game, so games are very important in our life. Okay, in our life, games are very important. They improve our physical structure also, and they maintain the body also. Okay, and games are describe the unity. Games are describe the unity. What describe the unity? They in the game are some rules are there. So the rules are followed. You can win the game. So the games are describe the unity. So student, there are some small exercise are there. You can give the answer and you can take in the book. Okay. Find the rules necessary for community life from those given below. Put a tick against any correct tick means correct against the correct rules and wrong against the wrong ones. Okay. Now first is jump rapid and climb on the bus. This sentence is right or wrong? Very good. Wrong. Now come to the next. Cross the road on the zebra crossing. This is the right sentence. Very good. Right. If injured, go to a doctor or primary health center at once. Very good. When you are injured, you are going for the doctor and primary health center. Okay. Now, the fourth one, report a leaking tap in a public place to the Gram Panchayat or the local government body. This is the sentence is right or wrong. When you are leaking tap, your tap are leaking, so you are repairing, going for the public place, Gram Panchayat or the local government body. Right or wrong? Very good. Right. In the last is do not travel without a ticket. Very good. This is the correct answer. So students, I hope you all are understood this lesson very well and you get more knowledge about our community life. Okay, students, stay healthy, take care and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.